Hi, my name is Autumn Barnett, and these are my character strengths. So, for my three character strengths, I picked honesty, kindness, and appreciation of beauty and excellence. These all apply to me, one, because I am a very honest person. I am very kind to others and treat everybody the same. And I appreciate the beauty and excellence of everything, everyday life, nature, and learning and everything along that nature. I'm gonna start with the first two and then go to my graphic. So the first one is honesty. I'm very honest in all aspects, and people can depend on what I say. I always follow through with my actions, and I always am just very honest in telling people how I feel, and giving them the truth versus trying to lie and hide the truth. This characteristic strength is very good for my career plan because people will be able to depend on things that I say. They won't think that I'm lying, and I'll just be very honest. The other one is kindness. I'm very kind to others. I believe that kindness is what gets you pretty far in life, and I treat everyone the same no matter who you are. I don't treat people different just because they look different or are different than me. I treat everybody with kindness, and that will help me in my career because I am going to be looking forward to working with groups of people, and I'm going to be needing to treat people the same. Um, and that will help build relationships in my career that I plan to follow through with, along with the community. And then the last one that I made my graphic on is appreciation and beauty of excellence. Um, I am a very outgoing person that does like to just see things in nature, and I appreciate the value of nature along with the beauty and the excellence of nature and just everyday daily life. I feel that this will help with my career because I would be really appreciating the nature. I am majoring in wildlife conservation. So this will help my career with helping me value the nature and helping me value different animals and different aspects of our ecosystem. And I have an appreciation for excellence, and I support people, and I look forward to looking at new things and learning new things. So I believe that that character strength is going to help me get far in my career. Um, Overall, I was not very shocked by any of my signature strengths, because these are things that I've known about myself. However, I do use these character strengths in different ways in different domains of my life than others. Some signature strengths come out more in my work life versus my school life and things like that. So overall, I wasn't shocked, but I did really like how the appreciation of beauty and excellence was in my top three, along with honesty and kindness. I feel that these all apply very closely to me, and I do look forward to being able to show my strengths in the future with future career plans.